Hey guys, so today I just got a quick tip video. I've got a 2021 Kia Forte with a 2.0 engine. Had a rattling noise from the engine. Check engine light was on with code p0017. So it's definitely a timing correlation code. Got it checked out. It's got a little over 120,000 miles on it. Service is done on time. You can see no sludge buildup, no heat marks, nothing. Took out the timing cover. The timing more was jumped by 2 teeth, and this is the culprit right over here. This is the exhaust VVT cam right over here. As you can see, it's broken inside the pin. The dovell pin on this one is part of the pulley, and it broke inside the cam right over here. So I've already extracted it. Make sure clean it really good, put the new pin in, set the timing, and that should take care of the problem. Usually if it's only jumped by 2 teeth, it should not have bent the valves, but there's no way to confirm it till you put it together. Obviously I'm going to change both the sprockets, new timing chain, new tensioner, guides, everything, and fingers crossed. One thing, just another quick tip, make sure you change these 2 oil pump seals. At one time a car came in after a timing job, no oil pressure, these seals were worn out. So this is the inlet and the outlet for the oil pump. If these seals are not good or leaking or not sealing properly, it could cause low oil pressure. So thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.